to introduce the categories, the judging process, and give us a preview of the online submission portal. Please welcome Ms. Maya Estrada.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
No, I'd really like to address this group because it's very close to my heart. My daughter is here about your age, and she's also into social media. So thank you for being here. Ang Museo Awards is going to give 10 initial awards for our maiden year, and these are Gawad ng Pamanang Tanghal or Permanent Exhibition of the Year, Gawad ng Napapanahong Tanghal, Temporary Exhibition of the Year, Gawad para sa Institusyong Pag-edukasyon or Educational Institute Museum of the Year, Gawad para sa natatanging pamana ng bayan, lungsod or municipalidad or what we call local museum of the year. Gawad sa natatanging programa ng museo or program of the year. And the last institutional award is Gawad para sa sangay ng pambansang museo or National Museum of the Philippines Satellite Museum of the Year. For the individual awards, we will honor those who are eligible or who are befitting of the following awards. Gawad sa natatanging paglilingkod ng individual or Individual Achievement Award. Gawad sa tagapagtaguyod ng sining at kultura or Patron of the Arts or Special Recognition Award. Gawad sa natatanging pamumuno ng museo or Museum Leadership Award. And lastly, Gawad sa natatanging kawani ng museo or Museum Worker of the Year. Eligible, as Glenn mentioned earlier, will be museums that are registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission, public and private museums, LGUs, educational institutions, and heritage museums. For the individual nominees, there's one very critical requirement that we are looking for, which is they must be Filipino citizen at the time of nomination. Okay, and we are opening the portal for registration. Are we gonna show it later? Oh, these are the scoring guidelines for both the individual and the institutional awards. Nomination portal is going to open this Sunday, March 15, and it will be accepting nominations until May 15 rather, 2026. And the judging will start on May 16 up to June 16. That's going to be the first of the 2 tiers of judging. They have to score a minimum of 75% before they can move to the final tier, which will be judged one day only on June 19. It's a very stringent scoring system because we know the award will only be given to those who deserve it. There is a 3,000 peso joining fee to help in the administrative cost of running this museo nationwide. Because this is not just for Metro Manila, this is nationwide. So if we're ready for the portal. The portal has the nomination guidelines, it has the nomination form, and the nominee must sign all the pages of the nomination form and at the same time has to accept the nomination. There is a separate form for acceptance of nomination aside from the nomination form which they have to sign, or that person has to sign, or the representative of the museum has to sign. Can we click the So everything is already in the portal. We actually had a dry run. So we're ready to launch on Sunday, this March 15th. This is the guidelines. Now we move to the individual first, please. All the pages must be signed by the nominee. And then the acceptance of nomination, please. In addition to the nomination form, there is an acceptance form that the nominee has to sign. Then can we go to the institutional, please? Each nomination has to be accompanied by all sorts of support documents that they can put together: photos, exhibits, videos, walkthroughs, press releases, books, and all of those are acceptable as support. In fact, most of the support documents that we will be accepting, they have to be also authenticated by the nominees. Okay. Thank you. And